Okay, hello. My name. Okay, hello. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hamdan Gamal Purnama. My name is 44123053. And right now, I am in Batam Island in Indonesia. I was from Batam and my college in Polytechnic Negeri Batam. And right now I am in majority is engineering and my study program is in construction. So now we will introduce myself then. Okay, let's begin. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hamdan Purnama. My age is 20 and I mean 20, okay. And you can call me Lana. And right now I was in my job here is hobby coffee is what's my job right now. And I have 4 brothers and I was a number 2 sibling of my brothers, Okay, we will make a complete difference. You can make yourself video, so up your head right now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for your attention. So please welcome.